There are two kinds of games, finite and infinite. A finite game is played for the purpose of winning, an infinite game for the purpose of continuing the play. Hi, we are Shirley Shen and Travis Hanks, the co-founders of Hex City Studio Architecture.
Over the last 10 years, our practice has focused on small to medium scale housing developments in the area known as Metro Vancouver. But we have endeavored to bring to those projects a global perspective informed by the most challenging issues facing our generation.
We've been asked to lead a studio on missing middle housing, a typology that forms the fundamental urban fabric of many North American cities, yet is woefully and conspicuously underrepresented in Vancouver's housing stock.
This studio will not only explore the typology and topology of urban housing, but also the myriad societal forces that exert pressure on housing forms and delivery models, including affordability, climate crisis, zoning, and territorial politics.
In addition, the studio will attempt to harness and redirect those forces towards new models of urban habitation, enduring structures that embody the healthy integration of human and natural systems.
The studio will be organized into 3 modules of increasing duration and complexity. The first will focus on the game of project delivery and understanding which parameters are within the control of the architect and which are decidedly not. The second will shift focus from outside to inside, examining interiority as a generator of urban form and programming.
These two studies will culminate in a final project that synthesizes both the systemic and the human parameters of housing design. Students will attempt to galvanize the patterns and flows of material, information, and people into an embedded intervention, unique in its engagement with the environment, community, and culture.
The site is a former industrial area with connections to waterfront and mass transit, and is subsequently under enormous development pressure. In addition to employing the traditional tools of architecture, planning, and design, students will also investigate different models of ownership and tenure and changes in the institution of housing.
We believe that architecture can address the overwhelming and systemic challenges that our society faces. At the end of the semester, you will have engaged with some of the most wicked problems of our age and advanced the conversation through architectural inquiry. You might learn to see architectural practice as an infinite game where we all have a stake in continuing the play.